Okay, so today we're going to take you through a secret recipe which was stolen from a man, Darren, in Canada, which is his egg white bites recipe. So these are super high protein, low calorie, low fat, ideal for a snack on the go or for breakfast. So these are awesome. I'm going to take you through how we make these on the recipe that I've stolen from him. So we'll take you through that now. First up, ingredients wise, you need chopped red pepper, reduced fat salad cheese, it's Feta Cheese, same thing. Egg whites, that's pretty much it. And then a NutriBullet, so something to blitz all this together. So what we can do is we can put this together, blend it, put it into the baking tray and then pop it in the oven for an hour. So easy peasy, and let's see how it goes. So first up, we've got super convenient egg whites from 2 chicks. We want 300 grams, which I'm going to guess is just about that anyway. So, ooh, look at that, $2.97 and you finish the bottle. And then next up, we're going to use, so you can use feta and ricotta cheese, but I'm just going to use reduced fat salad cheese. So we're going to use 120 grams of this. Try not to make too much from this. Cool. So that's done the dusters. We're going to give this a quick blitz with some salt and pepper in the NutriBullet, and then we're going to add the other bits in and then blitz that as well. Yep. Okay, so last ingredient we add into here is plenty of pink Himalayan salt. So that's just over 2 grams. And then we're going to bang some NutriBullet. Give this a quick blast. So then we have got some cheesy egg white goodness, that smells quite interesting. And then next up we're going to add in 30 grams of already slightly pre-chopped onion and pepper. If I get this in here without making a mess, it would be a miracle. Oh, where's the onion stuff? And we're also going to add a handful of spinach. Looks like a cat wants to get involved, it smells so good. Oh, it's probably a bit much. So we see what the cat thinks. No, he's not sure. So we're going to blitz this. Again, another 10 seconds. It's just enough. So we don't want it super fine. Ooh. Cool, so we're good to go. What we're going to do now is we're going to grease that with a little bit of coconut oil. Just use a tissue paper and a pan, around the pan, and then pop it in the oven for an hour at 180 degrees, and then we should be good to go. Okay, so plan is to not have these all stick to the pan. So what we can do is we can use coconut oil spray into the pan. It's like 1 calorie spray, so it's just really low calorie. And then give it a bit of a wipe around, just try and get it all nicely greased up. Cool. So it's just the art bit of trying to make too much of a mess. Also try and segment them out equally rather than you have a few massive ones. Lewis, this massively reminds me of Canada, by the way. Christ. We might have some left over. See if we can fill them up a bit more. Just keep going around. This could be the cats then, this last bit. Oh, just. This is going to be, there you go, to the letter. Those two are a little bit short. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try and pop it in the oven without making a massive mess. Right. So we're going to pop it in there for an hour. Steady hands. I've learned what I should have done here already. I should have put it on a bigger tray and then put the bigger tray into the oven. Oh, he's done it and not made a mess. Have a look. The oven is still clean, just, I think. So we'll pop those in there for an hour, and then we'll show you the piece of resistance when it's done shortly. Cat's waiting for his meal as well. Okay, so just to re-summarise what we've used here, so we've got 300 grams of egg whites, we have got around 25 grams of red onion, around 25 grams of red pepper, a small handful of spinach, 120 grams of low-fat cheese. So that's all in the oven. We are going to see what this looks like shortly. So I'll put the full recipe below so you guys can check it out, and also the macros down there. So let me know what you think. If you want different types of cheese to use, you can use ricotta and feta cheese. Just get the reduced fat variety, and it will work very, very well. I've also got one other cheese, actually, as a secret I thought to show you, which could work very well with this, which is Lay Down a Light of Life. So that's another good one you could use into the mix if you want a bit of cheese variety. So we shall catch up with you in 57 minutes. Okay, so we are well into the cooking process, about 3/4 way through, so we're going to have a little sneak and peek. So they have risen nicely, and I still haven't made a mess in the oven. It smells cheesy and oniony, it's quite nice. Tell you what would be good on these next time is garlic, actually. If you like garlic, so we've got a few more minutes and then that'll be ready to go, and we'll see what these look like, and hopefully they come out of the pan right.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we're back from training. We're now going to check out the egg white bites that we prepared earlier. So obviously the greenness is from the spinach in that. So we're going to see if these actually come out. I might need to use a knife or a spoon. Oh yeah, that's not too bad. It's stuck a little bit. On a taste test, they're good. However, I have left them in the oven, I think, too long. But taste test, they're very nice. Nearly as good as Darren's ones. So that's the piece of resistance, so that's the end result. 6 egg white bites, easy peasy, literally probably like 2 minutes put together, and then pop it in the oven for an hour. So high protein, low fat, low calories, ideal, easy peasy. So we'll put the full recipe below for you guys to give a try. Let us know what you think. If you found the video helpful, please drop us a comment. Let me know if you want any more recipe tips. Hit like on the video and hit subscribe to the channel. If you need any help with your own nutritional planning, make sure as well you check out the Shred & Eat program, which is the world's #1 transformation program, and you can have delicious meals just like this.